How's it going, guys? Well, over the weekend my channel hit 100 subscribers, and as of the filming of this video there are currently 150 of you subscribed to my channel. To be honest with you, I did not expect that there was even going to be 100 people out there that wanted to hear what some random guy in Texas with a mullet had to say about ham radio, but you guys have proved me wrong. And I also gotta say, I did not expect this channel to grow this fast. My milestone was actually about 200 subscribers by the end of this year, and it looks like I might exceed that as of right now. I mean, it's November and I've got 150 subscribers, and so, you know, I'm pretty excited to be able to hit that goal early. So I just want to take a quick second and say thank you to each and every one of you guys who has supported the channel through your likes and your subscriptions to this channel. I really appreciate it. Like I said, it means a lot to me for this channel to have already grown this fast. So it just feels amazing to be pretty close to hitting my milestone of 200 subscribers by the end of the year, before the year is even over. So thank you guys again so much for your support for this channel. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So as the channel continues to grow, I hope to be able to do a little bit more with it and make it less of just another YouTube channel and more of a community. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys an update, say thank you to each and every one of you guys who has subscribed to the channel. You guys are awesome. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. So let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see on this channel, and I will do my best to make some of those happen. And thank each and every one of you guys again for subscribing, and if you have not already, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Just helps out the channel, helps these videos reach more people, and helps this channel grow. Until next time, guys, 73.